to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, thrift store flips, clearance finds, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So I have some fun projects today that are inspired from items that I saw at Hobby Lobby. One of them is a tray that I saw not this year but last year. So I tried to find it on the website to take a picture, but I don't have it this year, so you just have to take my word for it. I saw it at Hobby Lobby. And the second one is a cute little envelope that is super adorable that is on the Hobby Lobby website, so I'll insert the footage of that into this video so you can see what we're crafting today. Also, with this video, I have, at the end of the video, will be a awesome friend mail portion from Marina over at Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict. She sent me the most amazing package for, I think it was like a Christmas present. So thank you, Marina. If you guys want to see that, stay tuned. That will be at the end of this video. As always, a list of the items needed will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give this girl a thumbs up. It's completely free. It helps me out. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. I'd really love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I appreciate each and every one of you for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, for this project, you'll need one of these wooden hearts from the Dollar Tree that just says decor. You will need some wooden beads of your choice. You can purchase those at the Dollar Tree as well. You'll need either some spray paint. I use this Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Coat Paint and Primer in Satin Blossom White. Or you can use some acrylic paint and a paintbrush. And then you will need, last but not least, your trusty glue. So what you're going to do first is I went ahead and removed the tag from the back of the heart. And then I have my 3 wooden beads. I'm using just kind of like these almost big ones. And then I'm going to put a dab of glue here at the bottom. And put my bead. And then I'm going to get the top here kind of in the middle. Put that bead there. And then try to evenly space it so it matches. And put that bead there. And then from there, you'll let those dry, and then you will take your paint and either paint it with your paintbrush, or you could take it outside and spray paint it. I use the spray paint, and this is how it turned out. You can still see a little bit of the wood, and I'm okay with that because I think it gives it kind of like a rustic farmhouse appeal to it. And then it gives you this super cute little riser that you can put a candle on or a flower, and it's just a super cute way to add a little something to it to your tray or your decor. All right, for this project, you'll need a block sign. I got this at Hobby Lobby for like, what was it, 79 cents on sale when it was 90% off, but you can find similar items at like your local thrift store. You'll need some paint of your choice. I use the Rust-Oleum chalked and linen white. Or if you like, you can just use some acrylic paint or chalk paint and a paintbrush. You'll need either some of the ornaments from the Dollar Tree, felt stickers, or these DIY stickers. You can find similar items at Hobby Lobby as well. You'll need either a red marker or a red paint pen. And then you're going to need a ruler and a pencil. And possibly your glue gun to secure the heart to your block. So what I did first is this block has some glitter on it. So I took my sanding sponge from the Dollar Tree and I sanded the glitter off. Then I used a Rust-Oleum chalk paint to paint it this really pretty white. You can use whatever color you want. You can do red, you can do pink. It's up to you. So what I'm going to do is I want to find the center of this piece. So that's why I got my ruler. So let's see here. So it's not quite 6 inches. So it's not exactly going to be, it's like 2 pieces short of 6 inches. So 3 inches is not going to be in the middle. The middle is going to be roughly about here. So I'm going to move it up just, actually, no, I'm going to have it here. It's perfect. So I'm going to measure it kind of from the bottom, and then I'm going to put like a little dot here where about the middle is. And then I'm going to take my ruler, and we're doing this live, so to speak, guys. So if I mess up, we'll try again. So I'm just going to angle my ruler here so I can get a straight line to my pencil mark. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So that way it gives me like an envelope backing. And then you can, so I'm using white, so I'm going to be using a red Posca paint pen, but you could also use a red Sharpie if you like, or even just a red marker. If you're using pink, you can do like a white line or a red line, or if you're doing like a red envelope, you could do a white line. And so I am actually going to lay out my ruler because I really want to make sure this is straight, to make this as straight as possible. And then I'm just going to follow the ruler line with my pen. Awesome. So there's the beginnings of my envelope. Now I want this to dry. So this I got at Amazon. It's a AAA. It's like a fan. And it has 2 settings for low and high. This is super great. I absolutely love it. I will see if I can link it in my description box below if you're interested. It's really great to help you if you want to have paint dry super fast and you're in a bit of a hurry. You can use the fan, or you could use a heat gun, which I have one now thanks to Constance from Butterfly Mom Creations and More. She sent me one for Christmas. And then I'm going to take one of these red pieces from the DIY stickers, and I'm going to put a dab of glue on the back here. It has a sticky bit on the back, but I want to make sure this is more permanent. So I'm going to put some glue from my glue gun there. I'm a little overzealous with the glue. And then I'm going to just place it right there, like so. And then you have a cute block envelope that you can display on your tier tray, on a bookshelf, anywhere that you like. All right, it is time for the friend mail portion of the video. If you hear some barking, I'm really sorry. One of the neighbor's dog is outside just barking away, and it's causing my dogs to bark too because they have to respond back to let the neighbor dog know that they're here. So I apologize if you hear some barking, but that's what happens when you have some dogs. Anyway, so one of the first things that was in my box from Marina, and I'm so happy she sent it because I can't find it here, is one of the Flesh palettes. Look at how cool that is. So I'm sure you guys have all seen these before, but look at how absolutely gorgeous it is with the shimmer. And then you open it up and it has these gorgeous colors inside that are named Hype, Flash, Cherish, Astonish, Throb, Urge, Strap, Button, and Thirsty. So those are some pretty interesting names. Have you guys looked at the back to see the names on these? Like, they're pretty kind of naughty. Let me know what you think. So this was in there. And then she also sent, which I'm so happy I got because I really wanted to get these to try out, are the Ami Naturally Kind 25 biodegradable cleansing wipes. Which I think it's super cool that they're biodegradable. I wish all facial wipes would go that way. That would be so much better for the environment. She sent the Clear and Calm Exfoliating Face Wash from Ami, which I'm really looking forward to trying. I love exfoliating face washes. And then the Hydro Toner from Ami as well. So my skin is going to be looking fabulous. And she also sent another bar of the Pears Glycerin Soap, which is great. It makes you feel extra special, squeaky clean. So if you like that squeaky clean feeling, I highly recommend these. She also sent 2 of these gorgeous Spa Hair Don't Care head wraps that, I don't know if you could see, but they were $12. So I'm super excited about these because I could put my hair up. I put my hair up a lot because it's really long and it's beautiful, but when I'm trying to do stuff, it's everywhere. So I usually put my hair up. So I'm super excited about those. And then she sent me a whole bunch of the Riviera line hair clips, which are perfect because, as I mentioned, I like to put my hair up. So after this video, the hair it's going up because it's long, but it's a lot. And this one I think is probably one of my favorite clips. So I'm really excited about that. And then I got this little clip here. And then this like banana clip. And then she sent, these are so cool, the microfiber towel wraps, which are perfect because when I shower, I need to get out of the shower and I need a towel just for my hair. Does anybody else have like a designated hair towel and then a towel for their body because they got a lot of hair? Or is it just me? Comment down below and let me know. So these are definitely going to go to some good use. And then one of the last body items is the Bodycology Nourishing Hand Soap in Pink Vanilla Wish. And look, she wrapped it all up all nice so it doesn't spill. So I love this. This will be saved for my bathroom for me to use. And she sent as well, she sent a set of the glass bottles with the witch's brew. And all the fun little things for Halloween. And then she sent, I'm super excited about these because I'm going to put my puppers' names on them. The little doggy, the ornament. So right here with a pen, I'm going to write their names. So we'll have one for Dougal, one for Tina, and one for Louise. So that'll be cute to hang on my tree with their names. And she sent me, these are super fun too, the bee wire wreath form. And the hive, which I was talking about doing a cupcake. So I have an idea. I'm going to try it out before I videotape it because if it doesn't work, I don't know. Maybe I'll show you guys anyway because you know what? Life isn't perfect. And you know what? You can see the disappointments as well as the victories. But I was thinking like I could wrap like this bottom portion here, wrap it with like a one piece of fabric or some burlap, and then here make it like pink with like pink yarn or pink ribbon for like the frosting or white, and then here wrap this with like a red for like the cherry on top. So you kind of see my vision, and I was thinking maybe I could just kind of scrunch this bottom piece up so this is like the bottom of the cupcake and then this is the top and the cherry. Do you guys see my vision, or is it just me? Am I crazy? I don't know. That's what I thought, so I'm gonna give it a go. We're gonna try and see. And then the last 2 items, she told me she had a surprise for me, and I got a little teary-eyed because they are awesome. Oh, sorry, just a second. My daughter's calling. Sorry about that. My daughter called. She was taking a computer certification test this morning for a new job that she's hoping to get because She is a college graduate. Yay! My baby girl graduated college with her bachelor's degree in information technology. So I am super proud of her. I can't believe I'm the mom of a college graduate. I can't believe I'm that old, but I'm really proud of her. But anyway, so she was all excited. She wanted to call me, so I apologize for the interruption. But we'll carry on. So there's two items left that are super awesome that Marina said are surprises for me from the Amazon Liquidator store where she goes. So the first one is this gorgeous, look at how beautiful this is. And it's got fringe on it. It's a throw blanket. So this is going to go at the foot of my bed. It's going to go like along my bed. It's going to be so pretty. It's like, I love, this is like the color of my curtains in my room. So how she managed that, I don't know, but it's super awesome. And then even more awesome, you guys, look at this. Look at this gorgeous pillow. Isn't it awesome? It's so pretty, and it's got all this texture on it. It's just, oh, it is gorgeous. So this is going to go on my bed, up at the top of my bed with my pillows. So with this and the blanket, like how awesome is that? It's gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much, Marina. Your generosity knows no bounds, and I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Thanks so much, you guys, for spending some time with me today. I wish you guys the very best, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye-bye.